laughed at me. But we share only two and we know, but the love so strong and I can see. Catch me in chess, catch me in chess, catch me in chess. Hey girl.
Alright guys, we have to do an unboxing today. An unboxing. So right now we have you see that? Our flat iron, guys, our flat iron, right? Flat iron. And I'm going to pull it so you can see it. Okay, guys. Oh, it's pretty. Alright. This is it, guys. So beautiful, so pretty, so cute, so demure. Yes. Alright. That is it. Yes, guys, that's it right there. So we have that out the way, and next we have some pimple patches. We have some pimple patches right here, right? Yes, pimple patches. If you have a little pimple, a little bump or something, you can just put it on it and it will all be okay. Alright, this now is my charger wires. I have to get some, guys, because guess what? When I have a charger wire, it gives problem. A USB, it gives problems, guys. Every minute I have to buy a charger. So here now I have 5 of them, okay? So I won't be needing any. Yes, as I was saying, guys, my charger keeps giving issues, so I have to get the wire. So right now I won't be needing any charger soon for now. And my flat iron and my pimple patches. So that's what's come in to my package today, right, guys? Shein all day every day, right? Shein all day every day. So guys, that was my video. So please do remember to subscribe to the channel, like, share and subscribe. I'm on my way to 200k. Thank you for the 100k, guys. I appreciate. Why am I saying 100k? 100 subscribers. Hey, I'm on my way to 200 subscribers, guys. Lord Jesus, I will never reach 100k. Slowly but surely we're getting there. To God be the glory. To God be the glory. Big up on yourself, guys. Take care, my besties. Bye.
If you got it, it ain't no question. Oh, it ain't no room for guessing. No more than emotionally invested. Showing you all my imperfections. Oh, if I let you